How to turn on Glider Redeploy in Fortnite Creative. So as you guys can see right here, I don't have it. So in today's video, it's going to be super fast, simple, and an easy tutorial. So what you have to do first is go in your island settings. Then once you're in your island settings, you have to go to player. So overview, mode, round, player. It's the fourth one right here. So just click on player. Then once you're in player, you're going to have to go to the third option. So locker, controls, local motion. It's going to be this one right here. So just click on that. Now you're gonna have to slowly scroll down. So once you scroll down, it should be Glider Redeploy right here. Just turn that on. Allow shoulders, basing, allow sidekick. It should be under that. So Glider Redeploy, just turn that on. Click on exit. Now if I go back on top and I jump, I have Glider Redeploy. So that's how you turn on Glider Redeploy in Fortnite Creative. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.